Hello, Divine Family. So, the Lionsgate portal is still open till 12th of August, and you can still do your manifestations and meditation, as this time is considered to be the most effective time for doing your manifestations. So, after this portal, many twin flames are able to pick up very heavy and intense energy. So, this time, your divine masculine will be approaching the divine feminine as they feel the urge to contact you if you are separated from your twin flame. So, first of all, you don't have to give your energy to them. You should try to balance yourself out. Talk to them, feel happy, and use that happiness to raise your vibration and use it in your manifestation. Don't slip into that victim place and degrade your vibrations by giving them your energy. Do not emphasize on creating pressure on them for staying in your life. There is a divine time for everything. They have come up as per the divine plan, as this portal has opened, and it will be bringing awakening in the life of many divine masculine. And if they are already awakened, then this may be a sign of union. So the things are done as per the divine order. You only have the right to make a clear choice and work upon it. So if your divine masculine is not making a clear choice, then it is only showing your blockage that you still have to make a clear choice. It's your choice to do the inner work and maintain harmony, come into balance. You have to feel and accept it that your person, your divine masculine, your divine feminine is inside you because you are your twin. You have both the energies of divine masculine and divine feminine. One is overactive and one is underactive. So you have to create a balance among themselves. Only then a union in the 3D world is possible. So the other case may be that most of you are already in union. You are in talking terms with your divine masculine. You just have to accept the situation, surrender yourself to divine, and embrace your union. Commitment is not always the union. Stop running after the commitment and relationship. Most twin flames separate even after their marriage because they have not done the inner work, and the energy of twin flame is so intense you cannot handle it unless you are balanced, and that balancing comes from doing the inner work and healing your issues. Most of the twin flames are not able to understand that what suddenly happened after their marriage. They were so in love, and what happened? Why they are not able to communicate with their partner? So things like that happen. They get divorced, and after knowing that they are in a spiritual journey, they work on themselves, and then their reunion happens. So You should be happy that you at least have known this, that you are in a spiritual journey. You have time to work on yourself. You have time to do the inner work. You already have gone through that dark night of the soul. So embrace your situation. Do not just every time go into the blame game, blaming the divine, blaming your partner, blaming your karmics. You should be happy that you already have learned a lesson. What if you learn the lesson after getting into relationship and then separating and then waiting for the reunion to happen? Satisfaction is very important. The twin flame energy is so intense you cannot handle it unless you are balanced, and that balancing will come when you do your inner work properly and heal your issues. So, when your divine masculine or your divine feminine comes around this time, you do not have to become imbalanced. You have to enjoy every moment. Do not create further blockages by being needy of a relationship or marriage. That's why you have to become balanced within yourself. If you are in talking terms, then take it as a union. You have to focus on your inner work. You have to raise your vibrations, surrender yourself to the divine. Always think positive about your divine masculine. They are only mirroring you. Do not curse them or say negative things about them. You have to take every situation as a test from divine. If you are playing the role of a victim, that divine is not looking upon me, my divine masculine, my divine feminine is like that, you are only focusing on delaying your union, not on your inner work. And the life of a person who is in spiritual journey is not easy from the day of incarnation. You people have grown up facing a lot of things, and this Lionsgate portal especially is resurfacing the trauma that you have faced in the dark night of the soul. So it's totally dependent on you how you take that trauma. Do you get triggered and slip into that again, or you make peace with the situation and come up even stronger? It's just an illusion. I know the energy is very heavy and intense. I have already felt a very intense energy. Most of you don't even know how many blockages you still have. So, if you still get triggered, then you have not healed completely. Try to talk to the universe and ask for answers. Do not lose your energy and think that if your divine masculine or divine feminine has come, so this is a union. If your issues are not healed, then this person will again trigger you and run, and you will still be in the chasing energy that what happened, why this person keeps doing it again and again, and the inner work that you have done will make no sense to you. Trust the divine. Surrender yourself to the divine. This is the only way. Patience and trust on divine is the key in this journey. Your mind should be strong enough that no negativity can enter your aura. So, if the person again comes and again runs away, you do not have to give your energy to that person. If they are talking, talk to them, If they are not talking, make peace with the situation. Try to focus on your purpose and your life. This is just a test and you have to pass it yourself. You have to create a balance within yourself so that your ascension can take you in the higher dimensions, and then only your union is possible in this 3D world.